Hi guys, this is Mr. Wineowine, and today I am going to show you how to make a
This is what you'll need. Chill the glass. In your shaker, pour 1 ounce of gin or cognac for more flavor, 0.25 ounce of simple syrup, and 0.25 ounce of lemon juice. Add some ice and shake it well. Dump the ice from the champagne flute and strain your cocktail in it. Top up with champagne or any sparkling wine like cava. Garnish with a lemon twist, et voila! If you like the video, please give me a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching, and santé!